What is this? I wanted Risk of Rain 2 music. How's it going? Yeah. Risk of Rain 2. Let me put that on. OST. Here we go. No, I didn't listen to that one. Okay. Hey, what's up, Egg Powers? How's it going? Yeah, I just started streaming again. I haven't been in a while. I was doing a lot over 2020. Here we go. All right, let's start this. So goals for today. Let's see. I want to do. Where's my to-do list? Oh, and all right. Let's see. Hey, Saturna, how's it going? All right, back in here. It's crazy seeing huge streamers like XQC and Moon playing games. Yeah, it's interesting. It's just like all the people I've seen on all these different platforms and stuff, and now they're playing my game. It's like, oh, neat. Also, I got a lot of sales out of it, which is cool. It is kind of weird, like watching a streamer play your game and then seeing them do like the streamer thing, and it's just like, oh, this is how they react to everything, and like doing their specific streamer reactions for like entertainment or whatever, and like, yeah, it's kind of interesting to see. It feels like you're never sure if it's like genuine or not. It's like, are they actually into this, or are they just pretending to be for the sake of the video? All right, let's see. So today I think I want to do another boss fight I was thinking about, which, did I have 2 ideas for boss fights and then I forgot what one of them was? Oh yeah, this one. Oh yeah, I want to do this one. This one seems fun. Okay, so I need to do. Shut up, Greta. All right, I need to do slippery floor, spike wall, spectral zombie. All right, get up the test level here. See how fast I can make this. So, already done you and tested you. I think I need to have like a test script auto start the fight or something. var start fight on ready used for testing. Let's just see if this works for testing here real quick. So it shouldn't start if I click. Where is it? Start fight on ready. Where is it? Oh my god, I have too many exports. Extends boss. Start fight on ready. There, it's at the bottom. Oh, it just didn't show up in. What? Oh, I was clicking the rat, not the rat boss. Okay, here we are. So this should start the fight automatically. And I'll need to finish. Divide by 0 operator. Why didn't this? Oh, okay, I need to Alright, I do have to wait 1 frame for that to actually work. Oh, and I'm still full screened. Alright, so it did start. Take off full screen. Alright, that's fine. Let's make sure it doesn't start if I click this. Okay. Right, so that's set up for debugging. Alright, so I'm just going to leave this arena here because it's too much work, in case I need to test it later. And I feel like I probably should have left every boss arena up just for testing. Alright, and now for the next one. So I need a slippery area. What should I call? I don't know, spike. I guess spiker. Everything is kind of having this, every boss fight is having this kind of naming scheme, so I can just do this. Fuck off. Slippery, oh. Custom slip zone. No, that's not what I wanted to click. You idiot. Alright, move you to here. Give me a collision shape. Maybe that big. Okay, so what kind of... Maybe I should move this around even more. So I have the player over here. I think this needs to be a really big area. Okay, so we have this large area. And then we're gonna do one zombie thing that follows you around. And that can't be killed. Okay, what is this gonna look like? Slippery floor, check. Spike walls. Alright, so it's slippery floor. The walls are gonna be spiked, I guess. They'll put here and here, and then here and here. How do I want to do the walls? I'm not sure. Let's start with the zombie, I guess, the fake zombie thing. Change type, kinematic. Call you spiker boss. Give you a collision shape. Maybe I could. No, I don't know if it should move. That'd be weird. Collision shape. I don't know. Circle. And then we'll need like. Actually. Can I make a kinematic body the child of another kinematic body? Yes. Okay. Spectral zombie. Make you have a zombie child so I can take you for parts. Okay, so you're gonna have the graphics, the attack area. Could I just copy everything, I wonder? I don't need any of these. Step sounds. Do I have step sounds in here? It's not. Oh, I do. All right, there. Okay. I don't think I need anything else beyond. I mean, I might as well just take all this code, I guess. Take this, and then take you off of. Okay, so you have the zombie script. Can I just? Actually, I guess I should just copy. Bring in the original zombie here, and then I can just say you have no collision. You don't collide with anything. Oh, put you in the bosses folder. Where's the bosses folder? I didn't save this. And alright, so we give you the boss. And alright, you masked who nothing. You don't collide with anything. Editable children. Vulnerable spot. You will not be vulnerable. You cannot be attacked. Or maybe I could give it like just special. This becomes vulnerable. Nah, I'll just have the vulnerable spot teleport around maybe. I guess this is going to be pretty simple actually. I don't need a specific script, do I? Do I need a script for this? I mean, it's like two separate things. I don't know if I want to, because then I can't put the boss fight script on here, but I can just copy some code. It's not like I'm doing a bunch of complicated stuff. Kinematic. Alright, and then this will be the health node. Oh, but this does need, okay, this needs to have, yeah, okay, never mind. This needs to have it so that my automation code works. Change your type to, I guess I can't make, yeah, that extend multiple things. A little complicated. I guess I could make this the graphics or something. Alright, so we have the graphics. I guess I could put a remote transform on here. Let's see if that works, I guess. If I can just move around the sub collider, if that does anything. It's a little unnecessarily complicated, but if it works, who cares? Alright, give you unlimited sight range, or wait, I don't know, sight arc 180. Give it unlimited in all directions. Move speed, that's fine. Character race, always chase player. Yes, actually that's what I want. Always chase the player. Money on death can be jibbed. Creature name, I don't think that matters. Then I need to copy over everything from here. So you need the health bar and the blood sprayer. Actually, I guess I need to do some, I'll have to do some extra stuff. This will be annoying. Alright, I guess I can just save whatever this thing's like position and stuff. Oh, I think I can do like independent of parent or something. There's something I know you can like make transform independent of parent. Go to don't have parent transform effect or something. Rotate the parents. Yeah, it's like this. There's something you can call, I know I've seen it before, that it's like it'll make it ignore the like rotation or whatever. No, shut up, it's not that. Where is it? I've seen this before. I was like, oh, I didn't even know you could do that, and then it was like set as top level, that's what it is. Yeah, I just read it when you posted that. Also, there we go. Set as top level. Set as top level. Alright. Oh, it's only for canvas items. You can't do it for... Wait. Does this work for 2D? Oh, okay. Cool. Yeah. Works for 2D. It will make a draw on top of those that are not as parent ones. Okay, there we go. And extend boss. Then I gotta copy in code from, let's see, which one? I guess I could copy in, I guess it's the latest, newest code, so I'd probably want this. Then I can just, alright, clear out goal hiding spot. Don't need any of these. Probably need something for difficulty settings. Idle, I'm just gonna say fight. I'll have, I don't know, teleport rate or teleport after damage maybe. Every 5 damage, let's say, you teleport. Alright, damage taken this round. State order. It's just going to be fight. Nothing fancy. Every time it teleports, you can drop some ammo too. Let's say set state, fight, and process state, fight. There we go. Don't need that. Alright, if oh, we don't need any of this code here. Set state dead. It's going to call exit state. Yeah, that's fine. I'll have to use some of that code for something. Process state fight. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Switch to next state. That does nothing. I guess if current state isn't fighting, I'll need that. Okay, so the current state, if we're not in the fighting state, then just say fight. Set state fight. There we go. Hurt. Let's see. Hurt. Yeah. I'll need to mess with that. Don't need any of this code. Spawn ammo is good. Function teleport. I guess we can do that. And that'll call spawn ammo. And don't need anything here. Don't need anything there. Set difficulty. Get rid of this stuff. Okay. Would it teleport? Yeah, I guess it would need to. Well, just for the ammo spawning thing. Okay, so it'll create like a maze thing that you have to navigate through. Yeah, I like that idea. That's kind of cool. Okay, so you make a maze thing. Just wish it would be easier to organize. Oh well. Hurt area. Oh, you can do this as Okay, well, I'll have to figure that out, but I guess I can just make a wall child for it. And we're gonna say, okay, so in ready, we're starting the fight. We don't need that. Set state fight, process state fight, and someone just message me with. Oh, hang on. All right. Okay, so first thing we want to get a reference to the. We don't need that or that. We need a reference to the. Wait, does this work from? Not you. Go away. You. This is your script, right? And make sure this is a different one. Okay, good. Didn't delete any of my code. Now, are you... Can I do this from... Okay, so that works, but you can't hold... Oh, you can hold control. I didn't even know you could do that. That's cool. Okay, so you get a reference to that. Then we're going to do set this as top level. Set as top level. True. Does this have a default? No, okay. Set as top level, and then... Hey, what's up, Missing Haven? So we set that as top level, okay, and then the fight, when the fight starts, it's just gonna say... I guess I should say... let's say function. This. And I'll have to do something with this. Do I have code for this that like sets it to... I need to like set it to be invisible, basically. Entirely invisible and not doing anything. I guess I could like remove it from the scene tree or something. Can't be collided with, it can't... Oh, I guess if it can't be collided, it can't do anything. I could just set it to be like a no sight range. Turn off always chase player. And I could just say here, okay, spectral dot show and always chase player equals true. Hide and false. So to start, disable it. And when we start the fight, where is start fight? Do I have that? I guess I need a set state fight. We're gonna say dot enable. There we are. Oh wait, no. That's not it. There we go. Okay, so we enable that, so it'll start the fight, and then when we die, I want to do dot. Wait, somewhere I have like some code for really killing things, like jibbing them or something. Oh, here we are, jib. Jib, spray blood, true. Hide graphics. I think this has can be jibbed on, right? Can be jibbed is true, yes, okay. So I'm gonna jib it, and I think, not sure what I do actually for this. Hide graphics, hurt. Oh, just do a ton of damage. Okay, so yeah, that will kill it. So I'm gonna say jib this on death. Jib, yes, and that should be true by default. There we go. Jib it's a word for like when something explodes into a shower of gore. It comes from like Quake and Doom days. Right. So that's basically just gonna explode when it dies, and I want to do some kind of graphical thing on this. I don't know if I can do some like graphic filters or whatever. Maybe I could change the visibility modulate to be like it's kind of weird how it modulates all the debug stuff too, but make it like faint and like kind of bluish, I guess. Okay, so this will chase the player and follow them around basically, and I want to put navigation like obstacle, I guess, if I can, right? No, do not estimate radius. Give me a radius that I can define of, where are you? Oh, there's no debug on this, or like visuals. Alright, well, let's say it's gonna be, Actually, I don't even need an obstacle because this can walk through walls. Okay, so you walk around. Alright, so the fight's gonna start. Graphics will be here. Let's put in some placeholder stuff. Let's do a circle. Okay, so let's say this is the fight area. And also, oh yeah, I do want to fix that shader a bit at some point. To do later, I'll put that. I learned some way to do distortion better with noise, and I want to implement that tomorrow, I think. Or not tomorrow, actually. Oh yeah, I forgot to modify the stream tile. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna be out of town till Tuesday. I forgot to mention. So no stream tomorrow, then Monday. Remember you posting on Twitter looking for an artist to work with? I did find one in the end, yes. We're currently just starting actually on next horror game. I've been busy with this, they've been busy with something else. And yeah, but as soon as this update's done, I'm going full force onto the next game, which will have the artist collabing with me for, so that should be really cool. Yeah, I think it's gonna be a really cool game. It's gonna be similar, I don't know, it's similar level of weirdness, different control scheme, but like kind of similar style, I guess. Survival horror with weird movement mechanics kind of thing. Alright, so this is, let's see, we're gonna test this. Here you are. Okay, so this gives me the arena, right? And then I want to put walls. Okay, and you should auto start the fight. Start fight on ready. And I want a few spots to teleport to. So let's say 900 wide, 600, wait, no, let's say, all right, 500 tall, 750 wide. Teleport X max X equals 750 and Y will be 500. Okay, and so I'm gonna use this, and then so when we call hurt, we're gonna do this, damage plus equals 1, or wait, this? Oh yeah, plus equals 1, takes 1 damage, and then we're gonna do if taking this around is greater than or equal to teleport after this damage, and we're gonna call teleport, and we're gonna say this minus equals that. Right, and then we call teleport, and then we're gonna be like, all right, spawn our ammo, choose a teleport spot. So let's see, we need to get the teleport spots. Our teleport spots equals yeah, this will be a blank array, and then at the beginning when we first instance this, teleport spots dot append our position, and then we're gonna get our position plus vector 2 no, global dot x, so the x plus the y times Y. There we go. I think if I just do this, it'll work. Actually, let's just duplicate this for, okay, so we're gonna add this one. We do negative here, then negative here, negative here. There we go. That should give me all the spots properly, and we'll just do, all right, we can just draw them also. Function, draw for spot and teleport spots. Draw a circle, no, draw a circle. Oops. Look at the next track. All right, draw a circle at 2 local spot with color dot red. What? No. 5 color dot red. Okay. Let's just check that and see what it does. That didn't even work. Oh, what is this? It says save fight. No. Okay. Okay. Okay, so it drew 1 spot there, drew 1 spot there. I guess you can't see that one because it's covered by its graphics. Okay, and why is this visible also? Okay, so these are all visible. That worked for the debug. All right, figuring out where to spawn. And then I have to figure out the actual fight routine. So it's gonna first, all right, so when teleporting, place a teleport effect. Pick a spot, so for, all right, so let's say var spots equals teleport spots, and then spots dot shuffle, and then let's see, for spot in spots, var spot equals, all right, so let's pick the first one, and then for spot in spots, if spot dot global, come on, dot global. Why did you autocomplete and now you're not autocompleting? Whatever. Distance to player dot global position. All right, so we'll just see if it's greater than, I don't know, 500, then teleport spot equals that spot, and then break. There you go. So basically just pick a random spot and then see, oh, I'm getting a phone call, hold on. All right, back. Oh, hang on. I'm about to go on a trip tomorrow, so I'm like, having to like deal with messages and stuff. All right. No, I'll close it later. All right, so if we, all right, we pick a teleport spot and then place a teleport effect, and then I need to play maybe an animation or something. Vacation, yeah, visiting some friends out of state. Not a huge vacation. But I'll be gone tomorrow and Monday. So I want to do an animation, but then we're gonna spawn the ammo, and then we're gonna set our global position equal to the spot, or teleport spot to do animation. Okay. I guess once you do enough damage, you can just instantly teleport. It's not a big deal. Alright, so the fight will start, and then we'll say... Actually, I kind of want to make so this does... If we are... Start fight on ready, I want to say yield get tree.create timer for 2 seconds, and then we will do timeout. There we go. That makes more sense to give you a couple seconds to like actually start the fight. And we'll say start fight on ready. Okay, and then so it'll be slippery, and this should teleport. Alright, so now I have to do... Alright, it's going to teleport after the damage, right, is done. Oh, it's not going to teleport on time. It teleports... Yeah, when damage is done. Oh my god, skip. Alright, so once the damage is taken, it teleports. Okay, it'll teleport a set amount of damage, and then... Is that right? To have it teleport in a set amount of damage? Or should it teleport after a set amount of time? Because I feel like that makes it more exciting? I don't know. Because then it's too much like the original final boss fight. And this one, I think, it's more interesting. Teleport after time. Teleport after time. Let's teleport after 8 seconds. I don't know. Yeah, I could do 8 seconds maybe. Oh, but then you're still rushed for time, and it doesn't seem... Alright, let's just do this one. I will hide this. We're going to say, if we're process fight state, if current state time is greater than teleport after time, then current state time equals 0, and we're going to call teleport. I'll try it both ways, I guess. I can see what makes more sense. And then I guess let's try the test level and see what happens. Also, it's not hiding the display. Oh, it is. Okay, here we go. So fights... Wait, why did the fight start? Oh, I never gave it a name. Hang on, that's why it's blank. Okay, test level. Interesting seeing how different people write and test code. You feel like you've written so many changes without testing. I usually do that. I'm just like, I mean, I could do like a bunch of small things, but it's just, I don't know. It's whatever to me. I just like to, I usually, oh, whoops, what is this? Invalid global position on base vector 2. Oh, duh. That's what I'm doing. I don't know. I just got to a point where I kind of like know most of what I need to do, and it's just faster if I write it out. Alright, come on. Do your teleport. I want to see where you go. Okay, and then it drops ammo when it teleports. Oh, it went to that one. Maybe it should draw like a quick line or something that can fade out or something. Teleport line. I don't know. Var last spot. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. It depends what you're writing also. If it's a more complex thing, then it's like, if you can build it up in pieces, it's sometimes smart too. Alright, last spot, and var let's see. I don't know, it could fade out from here, I guess. So let's do this, and let's do if current state time, or let's just do current state time divided by teleport line fade time, clamp that to 0 and to 1, and then we just say 1.0 minus this, so this will be the alpha of the line, and we're just going to draw a line from global, or no, vector 2 to 0 to the to local last position. No. Last spot, I don't know, color dot gray and width of 3. Actually, I need to set the color independently. So var color equals, let's say that, and then color dot alpha equals A. Alright, so this will draw based on that fade out time, right? I think that'll work. Let me just print though to be sure. And I can also do, this should start at our position. There we go. Alright, and let's set this to be quicker just so I can test quicker. Ah, okay, cool. It didn't draw it. Oh, I need to update last position. Last spot goes in teleport. Here we are. There we go. Okay, let's see if this works. Okay, so it gives a bit of a line, so you kind of know where it went, I guess. I didn't go back. Oh, let me go to the sides. There we go. Also, why is this not slippery at all? Flip them out. Let's see. Final boss arena. What did I put on the slip zone here? 0.95 and 1.2. Okay. Let's try this amount. I've only done a little web dev, but it's kind of fun. The only thing I really dislike, oh, there we go. Now, the thing I really disliked is having to deal with cache clearing. That's so annoying. Maybe it should fade out slower. Here we are. Okay. What? Where'd it go? Now where the hell are you? Maybe it shouldn't drop ammo every time. There. There. Okay. I guess it's not going to teleport that fast. So it teleports around. You kind of have to chase it to deal damage. But it's not going to teleport that fast. And it's going to have like spiked walls you have to go into. And I think it should start like figuring out, I don't know, it should like shake or something. I'll put an animation on it when it's about to teleport. Fade time, let's say to 2 seconds, or shake before teleport time, let's say 2 seconds. So when you're about to teleport, alright, if current state time, well, let's see, teleport after time minus current state time is less than that, then we're going to do, let me think. So if we're at 2 seconds and that's at 3, that means we have 1. Alright, so I can do var t equals this, I guess. We get the offset. Then we do t divided by, so this gives me a value of 0 to 1, I think. So this gives me, so if we're at 3, we're teleporting, alright, the current state time is 5 seconds, we're teleporting after 3. Or we're teleporting after 5, the current state time is 3, that means there's 2, and we're doing shake. Okay, that means we're in the time to start playing it. This is from Risk of Rain soundtrack. Then it's going to subtract. So it's going to get bigger, right? So it's going to grow from 0 to 1. Oh, actually, I don't even need that. I just need to play the animation. Okay, that works. Okay, so you have, I don't know, idle, whatever, and you'll have shake. Okay, so now if I shake this thing with just, I can just change the rotation, yes. I guess I can just flip these, right? Duplicate. Negative, okay. If I put this at 0.2 and I loop it. Yeah, that looks fine. Okay, so I can just say, get a reference to the animation player. And we will play that, otherwise we'll play idle. Or play, yeah, we can just set idle though. Shake, whoops. Else we're gonna play idle. Okay, and on idle, we'll put this there. Okay. Now, what is this? Currently working on a Horde survival game. Let me test this. Horde survival in Godot 4. You got physics server 2D API working. Oh, I see. 50. Alright, let me see. Okay, so teleports over here. You get a line. It's about to teleport. Okay. Okay, cool. That's looking good. Yeah. Where's my print statement? I want to get rid of. Hang on. There. Okay. So that's good. Now I gotta figure out why the zombie's not working. Is this ever called? It is. Whoops. Alright, so doing a Horde survival game in Godot, you get about 1,500 enemies with basic effects. That actually sounds really cool. Like, how are you doing that? How are you doing like pathfinding and stuff for all of them? Is it just like basic as they move in a straight line? This is not Godot 4 that I'm using. Oh, are you talking to Murray? Yeah, I messed around with Godot 4 yesterday. It was pretty cool. There's definitely a lot of big changes I have to get used to. Right. So, this. Let's debug this. So print on. Set it to always chase the player. What's going on here? Oh, that's some dust here. That's not going to actually call anything. I have to like set it to be in the attack state, I think. Yeah. Okay, let's try that. So that is on, but it's not doing anything. Also, oh, well, that's just because I haven't set up the Z indexes properly. So it's doing this. Is it, hang on, maybe I just need to like set teleport after like 12 seconds so I can actually like see where it is. And move you here. I don't know. Whoops, wrong thing. No. Okay, so it's not actually calling anything. What if I never disable this? What happens? Fly Central Forest. You set up a nav agent system, but you haven't hooked it into the game. But you don't have any obstacles. Why is this disappearing? What's going on? Maybe it's because I'm setting it as top level? Is that? Where the hell is it? Maybe if I just print its position or something. Hey Funga, how's it going? Do you have any like debug visuals of your game somewhere? Okay, so where is this? So 3,000. We're gonna put negative 3,000 and positive. Okay, so it is over here. It's just not visible for some reason. Why is this not visible? Okay, if I disconnect this script, what happens? I'm trying to figure out what's happening to this zombie thing connected to it. Okay, so it's right there. Alright, now if I put this script back on, something being done. Okay, it's not there. No. Hide. I'm not calling that. I'm not calling any of this stuff right now. Pretty sure. For some reason, when I make it a child of this, it just disappears now. Yeah, like where is it? Maybe I need to get a reference to it that's not a child or something. I mean, I can just put it in the same area. Like, what if I was just like... why is this set to hide? There's something in here. I could just print if it's visible, I guess. Maybe that's the next thing. Something's changing that, and I don't know what. Visible. It says it's visible. Oh, I know. I can draw a line to it. Let's say draw a line from player global position to the red and 5. Let's just do that. I can like force it. Tell me where it is. What? Oh, wait. I have to do this to local. Okay, where is it? Oh, it's over there. Why is it over there? Okay, so it is visible. It's over there. How did it end up over there anyways? You. Why did you end up over there? First place. You lower transparency maybe. And oh, I do want to lighten maybe all these sprites. I could lighten them. And I could make it more visible as being a unique color. Yeah, I think that looks marginally better. Let's see in the test scene. The problem is, why is it getting moved over there? Like, this is moving it for some reason. I wonder if it's a bug related to, I don't know. I wonder if it's a bug related to having a kinematic body be the child of another kinematic body. Or maybe it's an issue with nav meshes. Okay. So it was here, and then for some reason it switched. Oh, maybe when the fight started it switched. Set state fight. Oh, this is getting called. Wait. Supposedly that's getting called. Didn't I put, yeah, I thought I put code there to detect that. And start fight. What's going on with that? No, oh, it's when the game loads in. For some reason. What's happening here? Something's happening when the game starts. That's weird. I wonder why it... It's like 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 frames in, it just teleports to a different spot. Whatever, I could force it to be there. So like I could be like... Or... Hide that. Okay. Maybe I should... I don't know. I'm wondering... There's 8, and there's like 8 zombies in the scene. I wonder if somehow I've like connected to all of them or something. No. Okay. So I could just remember its position. Also, it looks really dumb, faded out for some reason. Copy this, put it over to here. Put you at your start position. Equals that. And you just wait for the fight to start and see if it forces it back. Come on. Oh, I think I turned that off, that's why. Start on ready. Here we are. Oh, Rivers. Never thank you for shouting out the raw flesh raid. Oh, thank you for making the video. It's cool. Ah, there we go. Okay. So now it appears over here. For some reason it seems like it's working now. Also, it's not faded out like it should be. Why is it so grayscale? Okay. This one. Alright, I moved the script so I would forget that. Right. Yeah. Let's see. How's it going? I'm like busy working on the new update here. Let's see. Yeah, this video. Pretty good. Recommend. Definitely. Alright, so let's see. I'm trying to rush to make how is this gonna work? It starts there, but it's like, okay, can I, if I set it as top level, is that gonna break it? Like something with the position. I don't know, there's something going on here that I don't understand, but I can just kind of like break my way around it. Okay, so the fight starts and appears in front of me. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, that works. Let's see if disabling and then enabling it works. Okay, so now it's working. I wonder why it like puts it in a random spot. That's so random. Well, hopefully it's invisible. Alright, so the fight starts. This should be invisible. Or not invisible, but like more faded out. And you will... Okay, so you're faded out. You're going to be here, and then I'm going to put you... Maybe I'll fade you out even more. See if that fixes it. Oh, why is it again faded in? What the hell? It's not fading out like I want it to. It's like changing random things here. It's like faded in there. I wonder if it's like a bug related to it being a child of this again. Or something. Like... I've been wanting to play this one a bit. It looks stressful. It's pretty fun. I don't think it's... I mean, there are definitely stressful parts, but it's not that much of an issue. I feel like I should just make this a separate scene. It's like kind of getting annoying trying to like figure this out. It keeps becoming matte. Like, what's up with this? Modulate. Alright, we'll just force the alpha to be 74. Encode. Stressful in a good way. Yeah, that's true. People do like that, I think. Good way stressful. Let's see. Spectrum. Dot modulate dot a equals that. Alright, let's just force it. Or wait, is it 0? Do I have to... I guess I have to divide by that, because I think it's... Yeah, it's to 255, and I need to change it to be an alpha. Yeah, 0 to 1. There we go. Okay. Then I can move through it. Okay. Maybe I should turn off the visibility enabler. That's really weird that it's like... I don't know. I have to like force the modulus to override. But I can just copy this maybe. And I can say... Maybe bring it up a bit. Alright, copy this, and I'm going to say, I'll just do like a 2 hex or something. I can do, yeah, from string. And I don't know if I'm doing the formatting right on that. Let's see. Ah, there we go. Now it's working. Okay. Good. Alright, let's see. I want to take off. You should have no light occluder. And these parts should not be so dark. Same with that one. There. Alright, now... Alright, so it'll start that. That'll start following you. It's unkillable. You have to fight the main center thing, basically. Maybe I should actually have it draw that line there. That's kind of... Not in this color, but it's kind of cool, like the idea of having it as a tether. Yeah, and then it's this thing you always have to like run away from as you're fighting this. And then I could also have that... Maybe this arena is too big though. Right, so that's there. Are you... oh, what's this? Alright, this isn't taking damage now. What's your... Oh, I didn't put you on the right collision layer. Alright, yeah, you can mask to that. I guess it doesn't really matter. It's not moving with actual code. So then this... Let's just see if it takes damage properly. Then I'll have to put, like, shields around it. Whoops. Okay, you did not... okay, you're not there. Don't need that code. Okay, now it's taking damage. Okay. And I will have to make so it has more health eventually. Okay, now it needs to have like the protection walls, and it needs to show that it will deal damage if you touch them. I guess I already have the code for that technically. Right. So the walls, spike walls, add a collision. I already have these. Shape and sprite. Put you there, and get placeholder square. View a rectangle shape. Can I not? Oh, there. All works. I feel like I should curve this somehow. Like, maybe... I don't know, whatever. It's placeholder. So we curve it like this. And then it's like kind of a maze you have to work through just to be able to shoot it. So this will block bullets. Right, it's here. Oh, and it doesn't rotate individually. Oh yeah, as a spiral, that would actually be interesting. So let's see. I guess I could have like a pivot, and then I could just double it and rotate it, and that would be easier. Put these under here. I don't know, is there a way to default like what kind of rotation you're doing? And then actually move this 2 down, let's say. Move this 2 up. Maybe rotate 1 more. No, that's not gonna work. There. Alright, take these out. Then I can make these children of it. Come on. No. These children of this. Rotate this. I don't know. Actually, that kind of works. I like that. Alright, we'll do that. And then I could say, alright, so spawn in one of those spots and then rotate to a random point. Teleport. Position equals that, and local rotation equals random range 0 to tau. There we go. And I want to draw, where is it? Draw a line. Let's see, export var zombie line color. Do I want the line to connect you to the thing, or you to the zombie and that to the thing? Or do I connect both of them? I don't know. Let's just say, I don't know, color dot aqua, and then we'll just have, we'll draw a line from the zombie to the thing, the blob. Yeah, like that we can do. I kind of like the idea of also drawing a line from this to this though. Alright, so then you have to get inside somehow to shoot it, basically. Oh, wait, no, just the graphics wiggle, so it's like, okay, cool. So you're basically trying to sneak in through this and try not to get hit. Right. And then that can come for you at any time through the walls. I think, okay, and then that's dead, and then it explodes. Okay, I think, alright, if the state's not dead, so let's get rid of this. The one connecting the player to zombies unnecessary. If current state, oh wait, no, is dead. Do I have that defined? I don't think I do, actually. If we're not dead, I can just say if current state does not equal states dot dead. There we go. Whatever. Be lazy about it. Okay, we draw that if our current state is not state dot dead. Put this on low opacity. Put a bunch of floors in here. And maybe separate this out a bit. I don't want you to be able to get in too easily, but I also don't want it to be too difficult. Yeah, I'll figure it out once I have graphics for this. But I like the idea of having to like kind of crawl in or something. So these are 320 tall. This is 256 tall. Alright, so if I do a 512 by 256 sprite, that should be fine. I'll just double it to be safe. And then I'll put in the center maybe the circle go in the center. Alright, so what is this thing gonna look like? Maybe it should look like a pillar, I guess. I think it should be more asymmetrical. Right, so I can have one layer, I can do another layer here like this, and another layer like this, and another layer. Maybe I should be using my drawing pad instead of just mouse drawing. Draw some things here. Okay, and we'll call this the, what is it, Endoparasitic, textures, bosses, spike boss. Yeah, all my assets are drawn like this, and then I just color them in game. It's very easy, it's all silhouettes, super easy to do. Okay, and I'll do a couple like spike walls like this. this might take a while. Alright, I guess I could just do like a one-time thing. So you touch this, and you take damage. I guess if you stay in the area, you take damage. I could just copy the laser shield code. Maybe. Alright, I don't know if they look sharp enough. I think I want to make them look more, like, sharp. So, like, cut all the round parts off. Alright, just duplicate this. I think I want to make one more of these walls so I can have some variance, and then I can just flip them around. It'll make them look more unique if I just flip them in engine. And then I can put this in the game. I'm wondering, yeah, I think it'll be easily communicated. Looks like a little germ. Yeah, it does look like a germ, but they'll be stuck together also in a shape that looks like walls. Should be fine. I might add a shader to make it wriggle, though. That would probably be cool. Alright, so now we do... Yeah, I probably should have done more blocky shape like this. Oops. No, give me this. Here we go. Yeah, I should have done it more like this. I don't know, whatever. Yeah, having just the spines move. Yeah, then I'd have to do some kind of bit mask. I don't know, it'd be awkward. If I just give it like a very light distortion shader, I think that would work. Just draw these quick and lazy, and then I'll detail them as I go in. Yeah, I'm not really happy with the one on the left now. This one looks more like the shape to go with. So I can just do this. Yeah, I kind of like when it's these. Yeah, that's kind of a cool shape, like this serrated, pokey thing, or something. Yeah. Oops. Sharpen your spikes. Let's go. Maybe I could just copy the spikes on the other one and change the base shape, and then put those on top. Then I don't have to draw them all again. Alright, there we go. Now this, how do I want to do you? Maybe I could bring you in a bit. I could bring you in like this. Gives it a more, yeah, that looks better. Make it more of a block. Alright, and let me bring this. Ah, cool. I think that's good for that amount of visuals. Now let's export this. See how I can make it look in the game. No, do not export. Give me a PNG. Why doesn't export default to PNG? It's like save should be KRA files. And then, whoops, I didn't mean open Blender. Export should be PNG by default. Or whatever the last used image format was. Alright, so now we're gonna get... Give me sprites and the boss. Where's the bosses? If I heard you, bring me your sprite sheet. Where are you? Here you are. Okay, so with this in, I can now start, I guess, layering this together how I want it to be. Region enabled. So we're gonna have this be 1, this be 2, this is 3, and this will be 4. And let's just move these real quick. Okay, so these need to scale down a bit. I can't scale them individually. Alright. Or like, I mean as a group. Now, okay, now it's inside this sprite, so I can delete that one. And you're the base, so you'll have the lightest modulus, that. You'll have the next one, that. You get the next. And then finally you get the darkest there. Actually, I could probably make the base a little darker. Alright, now each of these can get maybe some kind of... Oh yeah, I need a drop shadow on these. Okay, so drop shadow, not that. Shadow, here you are. The scene, okay, is static, no. Offset amount, let's say 5 on you. And then we're gonna put you, you're gonna get 10, maybe 12. We'll give you 20, 20, yeah. And then you'll get, no. You'll get 30, maybe. Alright, so they each have their drop shadows. There's a spike here. Maybe you should play, if it gets hurt, it should probably play a hurt animation. I guess I could do that. But I don't really want to. It's too much work. I'm lazy. So let's do spike walls. Here, alright, so you give me a sprite. That's gonna be texture region. Where is it? Here it is. Region enabled. Texture region. Give me this one. Half your scale, maybe to there. Okay. Oh. Maybe bring in these walls a bit. Yeah. Okay. And then this one, I'm just gonna delete all these and then redo it, I guess. Delete you. Okay, you get this one. There we go. Alright, that looks good. It's pretty good. Maybe a little bigger on this one because it's the hitbox is a little bigger. There we go. Alright, and now I want these to all be the same color, I think. I'm gonna make this very dark. Something like that, maybe. Oh, and these need to have drop shadow, and it'll be 25, I think is good. Let's see how it looks on these. So, run this, see how it looks on everything. Oh, why does it just like start rotated? Oh, and that is on the wrong layer. Should be on ZNX, let's see, 800. There we go. Alright, that's too light. I think it should be darker. Alright, then it starts shaking. Okay. Top what's over here. Yeah, the walls look cool. This doesn't. It needs to be darker, definitely, on each layer. Go away, texture region. Still too light. I think this should be like the base color, maybe. And then just kind of gradient up. Maybe I should be using gradients with this, so I can just be like, oh yeah, mark this as this part of the gradient or something. Oh, I could just define a gradient, and then I could set the height of things. Kind of, I don't know. Define it in like some custom code, be like, this is the height, and then it'll just automatically sort everything where it's supposed to be. Okay, let's see how that looks. Yeah, it like rotates this for some. Oh, I'm so dumb. I mean, yeah, I mean saying random rotation at the start. I mean, that's fine, I guess, but I didn't realize that's what I was doing. Okay. That's what I was doing wrong this whole time. There we go. I should probably have it. No, I don't know if I'm gonna start it here. So we're gonna do. All right, let's turn this into shields then. No. Oh. Alright, hold on a second. Whoops, sorry, I forgot I was muted. I do that while chased. Yeah, you have to do that while being chased. I mean, it's slow, but it's like, okay. Now, I'm just wondering how to code it actually dealing damage to you. Because it's like, do I want to put the code on the player, or do I want to put it on the walls? Like, because I don't think this can detect collisions. Now, I could put an array, an area, but then you can't collide with it. So it's like, how do I do this? I'm gonna put you here to start also. So like, there's a wall layer. I could have the player just check your collision. Yeah, maybe I'll just do that. On the player, we'll just do like spike check or something. So we'll just put this in spikes. Here we are. And right, so we got this. I think I want to move this in a bit more though, because it's not enough of a gap to be like there. Now you can actually like kind of crawl in more comfortably, I think. And all right. I think difficulty would probably also affect the move speed of the zombie. Now one key thing is I want to make sure that this can't block the doors. Right, so if I'm over here, it leaves a gap, right? And if I'm over here, I guess there's a situation where it can be fully walled off. That's fine, I guess. I just want to make sure it doesn't, I don't know, stop you from moving in or something. Stop you from going to the next level. Okay, so that's that. Now, yeah, okay, now player spike damage. So, what handles movement? Move and slide. Alright, for I and get range, get slide count. Let's see, we're gonna do get slide collision I equals that. Alright, so now we're gonna do if called. Alright, so that's the collision. Then we just get the collider. Is in group spikes. Then we take spike damage. Function take spike damage. There we go. Alright, so now I can do whatever I want with that. Var min spike damage rate equals. Alright, let's make so you can only take damage once every 2 seconds from spikes, and var spike damage amount equals, let's say, 10. Alright, and so let's see, var last spike damage time equals 0. Now we get the current time, so let's see. So var current time equals OS. Get the, alright, divide by 1,000, there we go. Alright, so this gives us current time in seconds. Then if we do this minus this is less than minimum spike damage rate, if that, then return, otherwise we're going to say sort ourselves by spike damage amount and set the last spike damage time to equal the current time. Let's see if that works. And I did put it in the spikes group. Oh yeah, it does remind me of salvage fingers. I didn't think of that. It's been a while since I've seen that down. No. Give me this. Alright, so now we get to continue watching. Yes, I am still watching YouTube. Alright. Let's see if it hurts when I hit it. I feel like maybe you have to be moving, I guess. So let's see, the minimum spike damage rate should be, maybe it's just, oh wait, maybe what happens if I just take this off? So it's like, all right, we don't do that. We just say you can get hurt, just in case. So I slide along the walls. Okay, so it does instantly kill you. I have to put some kind of time thing on here. I'll try 1/10 of a second, I'll try 1/2 of a second. Oh, okay, it just keeps pushing you against, so doesn't feel very realistic, but oh well. Okay, that, it feels more, yeah, okay. So that does end the fight. Alright, I need a death animation. Right, so I need a death animation for that. And I need, I don't know. I think just death animation would be fine. Let's do, you get death animation here. I don't know how I feel about this boss fight. It's kind of like whatever. Oh, maybe if it slowly rotates, actually. Oh, if it like slowly rotates, so you have to like move around it. That would be cool. Okay, I like that. Let's do that. Alright, so we'll say rotate direction equals 1. Var rotate speed. Oh, I have turn speed. I can just use that. So let's say when you, every time you teleport, set the turn speed to be random. Equals, actually, let's see. Rotate direction equals that if randi mod 2 0 rotate direction equals -1. Okay. And we can put this up here too to give it some more randomness. Alright, let's see. Alright, so it'll rotate, and then that means in this fight state, we're just gonna say rotation degrees, I guess, plus equals rotate direction times turn speed times delta. Let's try that. Oh, you think that one? Yeah. And Risk Rain is sick. Yeah, good game. I still gotta play the second one. Is it? Oh. That's too fast. Let's try turn speed. Let's try 10, not 140. Alright, start the fight. Alright, here we go. Now it's like, alright, so you have to move in, deal damage. Oh, and you can run away from that, so it can't hit you. Oh, it just teleported away. There we go. Okay, now it's over here. Oh, okay, and that fixes a lot of problems also. With, you don't have to worry about it blocking, getting stuck on a wall, basically. Though, if it teleports in a way that you get stuck. Okay, I think I need to check what the minimum distance is on this. So, like, this has a radius of 600. Yeah, about 600. So I want to make sure the player's not 600 units within range when you teleport. Range from player on teleport equals 600, let's say. And I have 500 in here somewhere. There we go. There we go. So that way it shouldn't be able to teleport to a spot that's within that. Opinions on Godot 4 stable release. It's pretty fun. I think there's a few like miscellaneous weird little bugs that need to be fixed, but it's pretty cool from what I messed with so far. Yeah, I'm gonna try it for my next game and see how it goes. There's some new things to learn. Tile maps are way more complicated, which on one side I think is good. There's a lot of cool new things you can do, but on the other hand, I kind of liked the simpler way it was. I don't know. Yeah, but once I learn it, I'm gonna see. I think I'll like it more once I actually learn it. Right, so on teleport it does that. Also on ammo, it'll do whatever. Global position, teleport spot. Yep. All this is fine. Yep. I'll need to set the zombie move speed, I guess, for the difficulty setting. Maybe also I could have the turn speed be set. So like, yeah, I could do like easy health, turn speed. So these are all things that can be set. So I'm gonna have difficulty values based on the floor you discover it on. So turn speed, easy, zombie speed, and that. There we go. And this all have to be defined or set up. Let's see. So we're gonna have this, right? Right, and then we're gonna say spectral zombie.move speed equals there. All right, I don't even have difficulty implemented, but I'll just make it easier if I do this all ahead of time. You love the UI change? Yeah. The UI is pretty nice. And there's some like cool new like just usability stuff in there that I like. It's kind of like exciting to try out and like learn the new stuff. Okay, so where am I? So it rotates. You can. Oh, I need a death animation. New death, I'll call it. And so let's start with, let's just do positions, I guess. Not you. Your position. Yes, reset it. Position and your position. And then we'll go to like 1. And we'll say you can go to, turn off snap. Move to there. Move to there. And you move to there. So it looks like it just like collapses kind of. There we go. Oh, rename that. And okay, so on set state dead, we're gonna do animation player. Right, let's try that. Okay, so that finishes the fight, plays the animation, fight's over. Cool. So now we have to, let's see. What is the width on this? I guess I can just set up the prefabs and stuff. Oh, and I do need to do, where's the final boss arena? I do need to make that look prettier, the slip area. So this had, all right, it's just like, I'll copy that in. Yep, move you to, whoa, are you locked? All right, well, move Whoa, why are you locked? Move into here. There. And I guess I'll just grab some sprites. I don't need all these sprites, but... Oh, actually, maybe I do. They probably look pretty cool. Why is there so many? Oh, there they are. Okay. So I can just kind of place them on the edges where the walls will go. I can leave that there. Alright, so let's go to room prefabs. Alright, see you, Egg Powers. Have a good lunch. I'm going to stop for lunch too soon. Alright, so we got this. Let's duplicate this room. Here we are. This, a lot of this will have to get changed. But you move. Hide you, don't need you. Alright, so we have the boss trigger. We need the boss, and then we need to copy in test level this. And there we go. Okay. So, probably make that transparent. Unlock that. I don't like that being locked. Wait, why is that over there? Alright, so this is going to start over, I guess, there. This is the arena. And I think I have the area match it pretty well. So I just have to have all these walls, I guess, get cleared. Here. And I'm going to see what the overlap is. Let's see. So we have here. What did I do for this? So the wall. Alright, so it's 1 unit in, 2 units in at the top, 1 unit that side. Alright, 3 at the bottom. Okay, so it's 3 units in at the bottom. If I can just match that, then I know I have the exact same size arena. So there. There, okay, and then over here, 1 unit in, correct? 1 unit in over here needs to be. And then at the top it should be 2, so there. Alright, and then we will move you to the center, I guess, approximately. Move the nav meshes out of here. Well, actually not. Alright, so this one can stay here. This one, can you hide for now? Okay, so you need to be unique. Move this one in. Alright, now I just have to make the whole thing navigable. I mean, the zombie seemed like it was doing fine without. Oh, I think because when I've set it to always chase, it will just like move in a straight line. But just in case other things somehow get in here, it's good to have a nav mesh. Oops. There. And move. Okay, so this picker needs to move. This and I guess the nav mesh for it. No, where's the nav mesh? That one. And the exit area. Where's the exit area? Level exit. And the enemy. Where did it go? Picker. Upgrade picker. Here we are. And oh, I guess that door also. No, which door? That one. Okay, so we move these up to, what? Oh, I need the exit door, yes. So that's gonna get moved up to wait, see, how many units is this? That sticks 3 units above. Okay, so that's what I need to do. There we go. Alright, so then we go here. And I just redraw out this old room. You prefer Godot 4 over Godot 3? I haven't used Godot 4 to say like whether or not I prefer it. I do like a lot of the new things. There are some things that aren't there, like you can't rotate tiles anymore, which is, I think, a really cool thing with current tile maps. It's like, but that's going to be added eventually, I guess. I haven't worked with it enough to have an opinion on it. Like the stuff I've messed with it, and my next game I'm going to be using it, which will be a smaller game, so I'll be able to like develop an opinion, I think, pretty quick on how I feel about it. But it looks like it's got a lot of cool stuff in the right direction. It is kind of annoying having to learn something new, though. Like, I'm like, maybe I should just stick with Godot 4 since I already know everything here. That's not spaced right. Here we go. Spaced right. And then this comes to there, and this one comes to there. All right. Oh, I do need to draw the floor in. So let's put you all go here, go here. And there. Okay. So now this, oh, and then I need the trigger area for the boss fight. So trigger on player enter. I guess I could just put it here. I mean, I don't really need a fancy like trigger setup for this. I'll just make this unique and just have it cover the entire wall here. And I can just put it there. All right, so you enter, we walk around and we'll start the fight. There we go. Yeah, it's a lot different. It feels like going from Blender 2.79 to like 2.8 or something. All right, let's see, make sure I didn't break anything. Okay, the nav meshes look okay. Did I fuck up the floor? Actually, I didn't notice that. Come on, let me draw. What the hell? Oh, it's the wrong one. Here we are. Yeah, that's fine. Alright, so now I want to test if this generates properly. Whoops. Oh, whoops, I need debug view. And, oh, it did start the fight. Whoops, I need to turn that off. By default, don't start fight on ready. Only do that in the test level. There we go. What is this line here? Oh, is it drawing line? Oh, it shouldn't draw anything if it's in idle. Let's see. So function draw. Oh, whoops. I just loaded the documentary for the soundtrack. Let's see, what else can I listen to? Crypt of the Necrodancer. Alright, if current state is equal to states dot idle, then return. Oh, that's kind of loud. Alright, let's see if this works. Hoping it'll get better in the long run as they develop more. some systems are more robust but feel more clunky. I agree. It did feel like, I mean, a lot of things just kind of like didn't respond. A lot of things weren't as responsive as they were in 3. I don't know. I was just like, huh, this doesn't feel as responsive. Some things are like crashing. I don't know, crashing, but like kind of freezing a bit. All right. Let's try this now. Okay, so let's see if I can do the fight. Alright, so here it is. So I start the fight. Let's see if everything's connected up first off. Okay, so finish that. Then you come over here and yep, you win. You can go to the next area. Right, okay, that works. Kept being weird crash trying to make new nodes for custom class. Yeah, I think one problem with the way it is right, well, the way the releases are is that it's like, here's a beta, here's an alpha, here's a beta, here's release candidates. Please use them to try to debug and figure, oh, that's, why is it over there? Okay, when the fight starts, it needs to move to, when the fight starts, it should move to its own position. And a lot of people, like myself included, it was like, we're like, oh, actually, yeah, that should be fine. We're like, oh, we'll just wait till it releases because I don't want to mess around with something buggy. I'm making my own games, and I don't want to deal with like having to debug something. And it's like, I just want to spend my time making games I'm working on or whatever. And then it's like, oh, thanks for the raid tip here. And it's like, so then, oh, come on, really? All right, you know what? Let's just take that off. Take this. You just set it to our position. There we go. So it's like, wait, when we start the fight, what is the position? Actually, I didn't think of that. Last position. Oh, that should be fine. Yeah, never mind. What was I saying? Oh yeah, so it's like you see the betas and the alphas and whatever coming out, and you're like, well, I don't want to use those right now because I'm busy making like a full-on game, and I don't want to mess around with something that's going to be buggy. So I'll just keep working on this, and I'll wait till a stable release before I use it. And then this stable release comes out, and most people are thinking that, so not enough people actually like went ahead and tested it, you know? Okay, so I can move through here, and then it teleports away. Oh, what? Why did it go down there? Ah, okay, so you have to wait a frame before doing all this. Wait one frame. Alright, you have to wait for it to actually like load in for it to work. That would be fine for game jam, but weird bugs keep coming up. You have to completely rewrite stuff. That does sound really annoying. I'm like concerned. I wonder what everyone's experiences with it so far. I kind of want to see. Yeah, because I definitely don't want to convert this Endoparasitic to Godot 4. It just seems like too much work. But I want to try like the new game with it kind of thing. Alright, where are you going to teleport when you're done? Maybe I should put a lower teleport time. This feels like too long. Alright. Where did you teleport to? Ah, okay. Teleport over there. That's fine. Alright, and then I went over here. Oh, and then I just ran into the walls. Okay. Okay, and then you can just wait for it to teleport away. Oh, you don't want to move too fast. Yeah, that's... Alright, this is making sense as a boss fight. This is cool. And you get punished for just like moving without thinking. After it dies, seems like it's fine. I don't think there's any way that you can actually. Maybe I should make these walls thinner though. They seem like it's too easy to get hit by them. Nope. Their width is 32. Oh, yeah. So what if I make it 16? Yeah. Maybe that's better. Hopefully that works. All right. Yeah, in a few releases it might be good. We'll see. Yeah, I'm sure it's just like release issues. I'm sure like they're gonna soon release a bunch of like bug fixes and patches and stuff, and then it'll be fixed up and actually functional. All right, so this boss fight's done, I guess. I mean, I still have to give it like all the tweaks on like health and stuff, but I can say that this is done. I guess I kind of want to just like look at what Godot 4 is doing now. Let me just commit this. All right, commit. All right, Godot. Let's go to the subreddit, I guess. Godot subreddit. Oh wait, why am I typing in subreddit? I can just type Reddit. Alright, what's the thoughts on this? Shut up, Chrome. Goddamn. Alright. Whoa, what? I haven't seen this. This actually looks sick. This lighting. Is that 4? Damn. That's the first time I've seen a 3D game with actually good lighting, I think. In Godot. Oh yeah, the new real-time lighting is like really cool, because I remember trying to mess with something like this for Rot Flesh, and it just, you can, but it causes a ton of lag because it has to like rebake the whole screen or something every time. Nice shader. Remake Halo and Godot in one day. Interesting. Where's like people's reactions to it? Breaking changes you'll encounter. What's like, maybe I should be checking like Godot subreddit. Alright, this is gonna be all thank yous and stuff. Oh yeah. I had to download from GitHub pages also. What? Create Godot games on my Switch now. What? You can, oh, it's on a jailbroken Switch. You can run Godot on it. That's crazy. Oh. Wow, that's weird that you can run it on there. That's cool. Wait, is Switch Android? I didn't even realize that. Let's go to game dev. Let's see what people are saying. How often I check Godot separate? I have seen it. My audio is looping. What? I think it might be just you. Anyone else hear me? I've probably seen your fishing. I don't know. What does it look like? I check it like every couple days usually. Alright, what are people saying here? What? How does it end? Interesting. That's actually a cool question. I never thought of that. Good. My game is broken. Yeah, that's smart. Never upgrade near a project or in the middle of a project. After watching the video, it seems we should be excited for 5. That's always the thing. I feel like with every Godot release, it's like, yeah. Like, the next one is the one that's going to be good. Ugly first-person bird simulator. Oh. It was looping Halo and Godot in one day. Interesting. Is anyone? Oh, this guy's video is a really good Simon Dev. But where is? Is there no like feedback? No one's like talking about it. I guess their thoughts of it. Godot 4 is being released. Here we are. Okay. Raycasts are now enabled by default. Oh, that's actually really sick. It was so dumb that they were disabled. It was so often you'd like use one and it's like, why is it not working? And you try to figure it out, and then you realize it's just like, oh, enabled was off. Like, why? SDFGI. Yeah. Alright, what are people... Has anyone been using it? Have feedback? I don't know. It's not better than Unity, yeah. Yeah, it's easy to use. Alright, let's check out GitHub. I don't know. What's going on? Godot. Check out the issues. What's like... I don't know, what is the plan for Project Converter issues? What's next for 4.1? No due date, 3% completed. Alright, what are they? You might find a few. I submitted 3 yesterday. Rework particle turbulence. Rendering driver makes multi-code. For VR editor. What? Wait. Very early days. There's gonna be a VR editor, so you don't have to take off your headset? Because that would be sick if you don't have to take off your headset. 2D use eyes as virtual windows. Oh my god, that's so cool. Wait, how did I never hear about this? Because I really want to do VR, like, I want to make a VR game, but I'm like, the idea of having to, like, keep taking my headset on and off sounds so annoying. Like, it just, it's such a chore. But, like, being able to just run everything in the headset instantly, so quick, that'd be awesome. Alright, there's a project converter, right? About the Godot 3 to 4, so you're trying to organize them. Alright, so they're working on a tracker for that. Especially with glasses. Oh, I bet. Yeah, that would be a pain. I'm glad I don't have to wear glasses. Breakpoints do not work in thread. Interactive music support. Oh yeah, I was seeing that you can have like BPM support and stuff in the new update, which looks cool. Share editor should be shown when compilation error is raised. Oh, I see what you mean. Oh, that's a good enhancement. Did I ever report my navigation agent bugs? I don't know. Actually, I should look into that. I never thought of that. Check out. Anything else? Anything else? I don't know what else to check. I'm getting pretty hungry. I want to get off now. Anything new? Nothing is different from the last 2 releases. What is this hater here? Anything in... Let's check the Discord. What's everyone saying? Godot 4 chat. Oh, let's check Twitter. Actually, that would be the place to look. Am I logged in on here? No, I'm not. Hang on. All right. Yeah, people trying out the new stuff. Logcraft. Oh, that looks interesting. Oh, the new noise stuff is so cool. I'll be seeing like the settings and stuff. I don't know, creating noise, what you can do with that. That's pretty fun. Huh. Everyone's got to. Oh yeah. Now's the time for making tutorials if you want to like get ahead of the curve, and like because everyone's gonna be looking for tutorials for Godot 4. So if you want to get your new subscribers in on YouTube. All I can think of is what I want to do for 4.1. Wait, oh, you're doing. Is George the one working on GDScript? What the hell is this music? All right, oh yeah. They did. Oh, I didn't look at decals. I forgot about that. Oh man, there's so many things to like check out. I have my like to-do list of things I need to explore. I did a bunch yesterday, but I didn't have time to look at everything. I wonder if these people are like converting their games now. Yeah. Anyways, all right, I'm gonna get off. Twitch. Give me my. Why is? Oh, I hate Chrome so much. Oh, come on, we need to log in now. I'm not reading Deadmau5. Anyone working on anything cool I should raid? Alright, see ya, Alghost. Incarn. I haven't raided him in a while. Raid Incarn. Alright, Ghost. Say I said hi. I'm gonna leave right away.